Hello, this is Mulas. Today we're gonna discuss how to install Linux in vmware. So first you should have vmware in your machine, that is host machine. Then just open it, go to create new virtual machine, then hit next. Just will install later this one, then next, then select which OS you want. For us, we are going to install Linux CentOS. So you can select this one for 32-bit and this one for 64-bit. For me, I will install 32-bit. Then next, type your machine name, maybe test machine, then location. Let me select the location. I will install in disk E. Then let me create a new folder, then test machine. Okay, hit then okay, then let's go to next. Select the disk you want. You can install in a single file or split, wherever you want. Let me select this one, single file. Then next, then we are going to customize hardware. So in hardware, you can select your memory. This one 1 GB, you can extend here, or you can right here. Let me select 1 GB. Then processor, only one I do have. I can increase 1, 2 number of processors. Then CD, this is the place where you select your image. So go to use ISO image. In this step you should have CentOS image. Go to browse and select which location you have saved your image. Apps, CentOS 32-bit, which is 386. This one is 32-bit. Select that one. Then in network adapter, it depends. You can select a NAT, you can select a bridge. In bridge, if you select 2 or 3 machines, they can communicate. Also, they can communicate with your host machine. So I will select a bridge, then we are close, then finish. After that, we are going to power on virtual machine. As you can see here, 121 GB of memory, processor, and hard disk 20 GB. These are what we have in our machine. So let's power on virtual machine. Okay, it takes some time. Okay, in here just install the type enter. It takes some time. It depends on our host speed, host machine speed. So you should wait for some time. We can skip this one for testing. Just let's skip. Found local installation media. It will continue itself. It's going well up to now. Okay, in here we can go next. You can type, select which language you use. Next, then type next. Then you can go for basic storage or specialized storage. This one about iSCSI storage in specialized storage, but for today let's go for basic storage. Then next, then just let's select yes, discard any data in that 20 GB you select. Then hostname machine, test machine, let's .com, just a host name. Then go next, select your country right here. For us, let's select Dar es Salaam, Africa. Then next, password, you should keep strong password. And the strong password should include capital letter, small letter, numbers, and special symbol. Go next, we select weak password. This one for testing, let's use anyway. Then in right here you can create a partition. Okay, we can select maybe use all space, it will use all 20 GB space, or we can replace existing Linux. If there is any existing Linux, it will remove, or we can shrink, or you can use free space. Any free space we do have, it will use it, or we can create custom layout. Let's select this one and we can know how to create a partition. This one is about partition. This is our 20 GB, so we can create some partition like slash partition, swap partition, and other partition we can see. Let's go for create partition, just a standard partition, then create. You can select your this one, root partition. This should be more enough because all our content should be stored right here, all configuration. This is a root partition. Okay, the space we need this one in MB, so let's select like 1500, like 1.5 GB. No, let's select almost 15 GB. Okay, then let's use this one free, then create, same standard. Then let's select home partition, this one for limited user. Let's select maybe 1 GB, let's select 2 GB. Okay, 2 GB is 2048, but let's create that one. Then this one, create, let's select import partition, let's keep only 100 MB. Then okay, and this one create. Okay, in here swap partition, just 200 MB is enough. This one just leave it. Then let's go next. Okay, let's select this one, then let's go next. Then format, right, change to disk. Okay, it's going good. This is the very important things about partition. you should know the exactly which space you want to use, maybe /root /home, and you should have enough space. So let's go next. Then it will install our Linux OS. Starting the installation process. Okay, it will take some time, so our machine is going well. We can wait for some time. Okay, I think it's finished the installation right now. Okay, time for reboot. So going for reboot. Okay, starting. Okay, let's go in. This is our root user. This is like an administrator. So enter and our password. In Linux you can see the password because of security. Okay, now we are in, so we can check some basic things right here, like disk free. I think we have this one. Then for name we have, okay, this one is a memory. Then you can do anything, like you can change your host name, like test1, anything. Then you can log out, then you can log in. Okay, it's showing test1 right now. Okay, thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more videos.